Here we have the dashboard of Awesome Gymnastics. And I am going to show you now that you have your receipt saved into your QuickBooks. I'll show you how to attach it. Now, just a reminder that you want to always add your attachments, add your receipts and your invoices into the attachments portion of your QuickBooks. There is a place in the banking screen to add your receipts, and I don't recommend using that because it's still quite clunky and doesn't work super well. So I recommend still putting your pictures that you're taking of your invoices, your bills, your receipts from Walmart, and that type of thing here in the attachments. So you can see that I've scanned an attachment in here. So from your dashboard here, you're going to go into the banking. So you can either click on the bank account that you want to go directly into, or you can click over here on banking. And then you're going to click on whichever bank account it is that you're wanting to attach your receipt for. So I have created a receipt for a rental. And you can see here that a rental has an expense here for $800. So I'm going to go ahead and categorize this expense for a rental. You can add the vendor if you need it. And I'll call it equipment rental for our purposes here. You're going to go ahead and add the transaction. And then up here in the search box will be that last transaction that you entered. So you're going to go back to that and it will pop up on the screen. At this point, you scroll down here to the attachments section, push show existing, and you'll see the $800 attachment that I added. Now, if you're not sure if this is the correct attachment, you can download it here. It will pop up on your screen and you can see the attachment. I do like to use the authorization number from the receipt if it's a Walmart or a Kroger or Fry's receipt. One of the big box stores, they'll always have an authorization number from your credit card. So I do like to use that number for the reference number or invoice number, if you will, in the expense. So 06793D. I'll go ahead and enter that as the reference number. Notice you can also make any memos here. I like to make my memos or descriptions in both the description and the memo box. There are certain places in QuickBooks that these show up. So if you want to make a specific note and be able to see it later, just know that it's best to make that note in both of those boxes. So when you say show existing here, you've got the expense drawer or the attachments drawer over here that pops up, and you simply click add. It will attach that, and then you can save and close. Then when you're looking later on at your reports and you think, I wonder what I spent that $800 on, you'll be able to see, if we scroll down to equipment rental, I'll have to find that in here. If you click on that, you can click on your $800 charge and your attachment will always be there, and you'll be able to look at it and figure out what it was you spent your money on. Hopefully this helps show you how to attach your receipts. This is the most efficient way to attach the receipts. Once again, I don't really recommend using this receipts feature in QuickBooks. It's just a little bit clunky, so whenever you're going in on your phone and taking that picture of the Walmart receipt, make sure that you add this receipt to the attachments and not into the receipts. Hope that was helpful, and I will see you all again soon for another great tip.